Look at the clocks. Say true or false. It's 2 a.m. False. It's 8 p.m. True. It's 4 p.m. True. It's 11 a.m. False. Do activity A from your textbook. Fill in the blanks by sorting whether it's a.m. or p.m. Look at the clocks. Ask and answer questions about the time. What's the time? It's 2 p.m. What's the time? It's 8 a.m. What's the time? It's 10 p.m. What's the time? It's 6 a.m. What's the time? It's 4 a.m.